in the spirit of Christmas and New Year, compliment of the season to you guys. Okay, I'm so happy to meet you guys at this point in time. It's actually been a while here, and your boy has been a little bit ill, and that's because of most times too much stress. All right, stress. But right now, I'm getting better, and everything's okay right now. So I hope you are enjoying yourself out there. I hope everybody is actually doing well. You that is watching me right here, hope you are doing well. All right, everything might not be okay, but at least you are breathing and you are actually, okay, like health wise, financially wise. That is important. All right. So I actually talked about a lot of things in the previous months, from January up until now, and it's been nice for us to actually take a look at how things have actually gone within the channel, and at least appreciate you guys. All right, within the year, I think I got in this year with less than I got into this year with about less than 200 subscribers, and you guys blew it up to about 1.8 thousand subscriber right now. All right, but I know before the year is around, so I might eventually click 2K subscribers, but so that is important to me and important to the community, and on behalf of myself and the community, I'm grateful to you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Applause for you. And within this year, we've also done so many things. We ranging from forex to affiliate marketing. Then we touched a little bit of affiliate marketing, and then to cryptocurrency. In fact, we swamped in cryptocurrency. We were so into cryptocurrency all the way from April down until now. Other things have just been one or two in the mix. So, but we've been so deeply into cryptocurrency, and I believe a lot of persons have actually benefited a lot. If you see within the community tab, you will see that I have a lot of testimonials that is listed there. Even if you follow me on my Instagram, you also see that there's a lot of more other a lot more testimonials that are actually some that I can record that are actually recorded there, all right, for like it gives me joy. So I am grateful and I'm glad that at least some of my videos are actually helping the community, and I pray that in the future we'll have the strength to make more and more videos, and you guys continue to join, more persons continue to join, and you guys can also help that by watching every single one of my videos that comes up and liking them, because most of my videos probably don't get a like or some good watch time recently. So watch my video, like my video. Okay, some of them are time conscious because some ideas that I share in some videos, if you don't act on it immediately, you might miss the opportunity, because I also bring on opportunities right here. All right, opportunities like airdrop, like vacancy and stuff like that. So in the coming year, we are going to be much more detailed on some of the things we are going to be doing. The tutorial we're going to be doing. Uh, this is just like me having let's say, an in-house community meeting with my community. All right, with you guys being my community. All right, so we're going to be talking about so many things. We are going to be talking ranging from the cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, I believe cryptocurrency is going to do pretty well, like absolutely well in 2022. Even if it doesn't do well in 2022, it's going to go far. All right, because there's a lot of plans from other people and from within that are actually going to make the cryptocurrency world really go viral. So you get to stay tuned, subscribe, enable the notification bell button on all, because I get to mention to you my top coins that is a no-no for anyone to miss. All right, if you miss it, it means that you miss a honeycomb. So you don't want to miss that. So stay tuned and always comment so that I'll get to notice you guys. All right. Some of you that send me message on Instagram, I barely see your comments. Always comment. All right. It makes me feel proud that at least I have someone who is actually, I have some persons who are actually benefiting from a video. I know a lot can just watch and just go their way. All right. So my top coins and then top opportunities that anyone can dive into, and then I'm going to be teaching every single one of them on this channel. So be sure that you actually subscribe and stay tuned. All right. So since this is a recap videos, all right, so I've actually talked about the testimonials and everything. All right. So the major topics that we actually talked about this year has just been the cryptocurrency, and we just talked about the major cryptocurrency, which is the Bitcoin. Recently, this Ember month. All right, from September upward, we call it Ember month. All right, where Bitcoins, cryptocurrency are actually being has actually fluctuated the highest. It will move all the way to 46,000 and all the way back. Sometimes 38. I think there was a time it got $38,000, and then all the way back to $60,000, and come all the way back down to 46,000, and it's just been fluctuating. And this always happen within couple of a day or 2 days or 3 days. So as a result of that, uh, this year cryptocurrency has actually been really amazing. All right, that's what I can say. Really amazing, as it gave a lot of person high BP. All right, a lot of person were joyful. Those that knew the tricks, and some of those that were watchful to some of my videos actually knows how to actually take profit when it's needful and when not to. All right. So BTC got to its all time high this year. It got to about 64,400. All right, all time high, something there about. And Ethereum being a second to BTC by market cap, got to about $4,644,000 per Ethereum. So that was their all-time high that each of them all got to. Like, so the rest of the other altcoins, or maybe altcoins or major coins, you can find them out by yourself by checking out their on coin market cap, which I've also made a video about before now. So they actually did amazing. So now, as at the time I'm making this video, being the 24th of December, there's actually a kind of reviving, okay, a reviving within the market, and some BTC has gotten to about $51,000, and you know more coins are beginning to pick right away. All right, and there is a reason behind that. All right, so I believe strongly that 2022 is actually a year for cryptocurrency to actually do well. All right, but if you are buying any coin, be sure you are buying coin that have good project, because these things here, since most persons are actually good in programming, anybody can actually program coin. So what actually driving most of these coins is actually the community plans, the white paper, and the team behind it, and the community itself that is driving the coin. All right, so if the coin has a poor community, or has a poor ambition, poor goal, poor dream, and there's poor team, all right, it will do worse. So be sure you are any of these, you actually check out all of these things. And I always, if you check around my channel, I always make videos on all of the things that you need to check out before you actually buy a coin, by checking out the white paper, by checking out what the coin is all about, like why did they create the coin, check out the supply, how easy it is for the coin to move from the way where it is to $1. All right, and that depends most times on the supply. All right. And then I'll talk about this particular one, how fast or how easy it is for that coin to move to $1 or something. Okay, per one of that coin. And then you also check the team behind it, their website, their community, what people are saying about it, the flexibility in transaction. All right, so you need to check out all these things. These are just little among other things that you need to check. All right, but these are just the few majority among other things that you need to check. All right. Then talking about the supply of a coin, like I made a video long time, just if you check down the channel, about the difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin. All right. Now, is half of Bitcoin by market cap. If the supply of Ethereum and Bitcoin were the same, the price of Ethereum would have been like about, if Bitcoin is about 50,000, Ethereum would have been about 25,000. If Bitcoin is about 60,000, Ethereum would have been about $30,000. All right. So, but the truth about the whole matter is the supply of Ethereum is actually more, about 100 and something billion, than Bitcoin that is about 18 billion. So, which means definitely any day that Ethereum attempts to equate Bitcoin in price, it means that Ethereum has gone way higher. All right. So I hope you are learning a little bit from this video, even if it's a recap. So stay tuned for the next couple of videos I'm going to be making, as I'm going to be making a lot of recommendations that will be very helpful. All right. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video.